Hello, glamorous friend. This is your glamorous friend back with another video. Hello guys, this is your girl Ferne coming back with you with another video. Guys, this video is not new. It's a year and a half old. I decorated that Airbnb about 2 years ago, if not more. I just never have a chance to upload it. But today is the day to drop that video for y'all. I'm pretty sure I have that full video on my YouTube channel. If I do, I'll put it on I will put it on the top right corner. You could check it out later. There will be nothing to it. It's an Airbnb. You can't treat it like it's your house. You gotta make it make sense, if that makes sense. So if you want to see how it turns out, what I did to the room, keep on watching.
Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head. The devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like.
And let me take a split second to say thank you to all my viewers and welcome to all of my returning subscribers. And for those of you that have not been subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. Okay?
Shoulder, ay. Don't you look at me like that, ay. Like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love, yeah.
Don't ask me why I was debating on which one to use. I just don't know why myself.
Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again.
I found the other pillow sham. Now I'm gonna be more happy with the look.
In love. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love.
I thank you all for watching. I will see you guys on my very next video. Bye bye. Mwah.